Today we are baking blueberry pie.
And of course you can't be in it.
I don't have to be in it.
I know you know. I didn't. I don't think it's a good idea to use this side still.
Flip it over.
So if we want the dough flat, we have to use the flat side.
Don't push so hard, Norton. Do it with your hands first until you get it to a consistency. You still had some loose dough in the bottom or loose flour. Alright, do it with your hands first and then do it with your rolling thing.
Okay, baby.
Chopping down.
You just still got some loose dough. A little bit.
So yeah, but once you start getting the mashed up.
Yeah. I could mold this into like Statue of David, but I don't want to do that because he's nude.
Actually, I forgot to tell you how to put flour in first.
Yay!
Well, go ahead and get it all mixed together. Look.
Mine still feels a little dry,
Well, just keep working it, Gloria. Wait a minute, baby.
and the moisture in my hands will come out.
Well, now there's moisture in that ball that you have.
Things sliding everywhere. Sliding everywhere. Sliding everywhere.
Yeah, just keep working it. See how it's getting all pushed together. Keep pushing it.
Yeah, it's falling apart.
Is it falling apart?
Yeah, mine keeps falling apart.
Watch out, pick it up.
I think I need more water.
Like it just did.
About to hurry up and make you into a giant. Oh, I don't want to say it because I'm videotaping myself, but
They're still falling apart, Gloria.
yeah, I'm trying to put it all back. I think I'm good now.
Let me see this. I'm just trying to pick all these little pieces.
Tara, you know at Texas Roadhouse, you know where they have the glass thing? Put like flour in here. They just throw it out.
I remember they would throw it at us through the glass.
They?
We would be sitting there watching them, and then like a guy would come up and pick up one of the dough balls and just throw it at us, and then they would give it to us in our food.
Alright. Let's just keep smashing it with your fingers together. And then before you start rolling it out, I'm gonna put some flour down.
All right.
Emily, you might be able to use one of these. They're not perfectly round, but okay, use this one. But wait. Be better than that.
Yeah, let's do this. This looks fun.
The tattoo.
Like a giant ball.
Are you almost ready, Gloria? And I'll put that flour down. We let the flour out. What's that? Annie, go up.
I don't want to move that. I'm videotaping.
You ready for it to start rolling it up, baby?
Yeah.
Let me get you some flour.
Tara, stop.
Take your hand, smear it around, because mine's wet right now.
It'd be sticking to your
It's
hands.
already getting doughy where I touched it. Come on, baby.
It'd be in everywhere.
Well, if you need more flour on it.
Yeah, I need more flour on it.
I love flour.
Whenever I was rolling it,
Do you want to build a cake?
Just wait, people, let me go over. Is there a towel? God dang, what is it?
I know, right? We was cleaning, and like Emily threw a perfectly good towel down on the ground. And it's falling apart again. Put that glass thing down. Quit sliding, stupid glass. You know what's sad? I can't even hold this glass thing back down because it keeps falling apart. This glass thing keeps sliding around.
Oh, yeah, because the little bumpers are gone.
I know. I'm trying to hold it with my stomach.
What are you doing that for?
you know.
Emily, you were already past that process, dork.
It was coming.
Straight.
Do you want to build a snowman? How about we put a carrot in his waist? Make him look like a wiener. Ready? Stop sliding. Oh my gosh, stove's messing with my nose.
Oh, tell me. All right, baby, start rolling that shit out. Don't mess with it too much.
Alright. I swear this thing is just not sliding. Cut it in pieces.
Making pie crust with my girls. Yeah, if it's okay. Alright. I see them.
Looks like skin. Very good.
Watch your dog, my love.
Alright.
Oh my god. Oh.
One in, one out, one in, one out, one in, one out.
Come on. Come on, Stevie. There's a sweet fix to baby.
Okay.
I already know, but I'm just telling you anyway.
Like that?
This is way too thick. You know what? To give you more iron, let me cut half of that in half.
Thank you.
I'm going to do is this in a little bit. Go ahead and get that piece. I'll give you a little bit more than I did her.
Yeah. Kind of realized that.
Alright. I think you're looking good now, Emily. Alright, take this. Stop. As close to the edges as you
no,
can.
Rich.
They don't have to be perfect. You want to cut them out. You put the little extra pieces to the side. These. You might have to roll these out a little bit more. added more water to it.
Yeah, way more water. It fell apart.
Well, it don't have to be perfect like I was telling her on the edges,
Yeah, no,
but
it came off.
in the center, because you're going to cut it anyway. Let's go ahead and cut it.
We cut it?
Yeah,
That'd be cool if we could make mini pie.
that's what we're doing. See, it's still a little bit thicker, so I'm going to take my hand and just kind of smash it out a little bit more, because I tried rolling it. There we go. Yeah, we probably should add more water to it, girls.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do it how Daddy done it. Swallow back up and do it again, and then
We'll do it in these order. They don't have to be perfect. Do it in water. And we'll fix it.
Another challenge was becoming used to darkness for months at a time. Raul told me that time
You got any more cut, Gloria?
Yep.
Yeah, you can put them on
I
that.
got one more cut and it was right there. Oh, I did this one perfect. Oh, no, never